Hi, this is Patty, and I'm going to try my first pour ever. I've seen a lot of videos, and they've totally interested me, but then got me confused because everybody has different things they say should be done. So I'm just going to give it a shot and see what happens. I'm going to use Artist Loft White, Artist Loft Cobalt, Folk Art Violet Pansy, Folk Art Yellow Citron, Folk Art Magenta, Folk Art Pure Orange, and Folk Art School Bus Yellow. I have an 8x10 board that I'm going to use, and I have a little shot glass. I think what I'm going to try is just doing waves, and I'm not even sure technically what that's called, but I'm going to try doing it that way, and then you know, turning it and seeing what happens. But now I just realized that I forgot I wanted to make cells, and I just realized that I forgot my hair serum. So okay, and I'm going to use this Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum from GAC. I've seen other people use it, and they seem to like it, so I'll give it a shot. I'm not sure where and when I should put it in, but this is just all an experiment, so if you just want to bear with me and watch, I would appreciate it. Okay. I'm going to pour the white. Then I think I'll try a spritz of serum. I'll use orange. Then I'm going to try the yellow citron. Like I said, I mean, I'm not using any techniques for the pouring in here either. I think I'm just trying to learn, so I'm just going to go with what feels comfortable to me and see if it works, and if it doesn't, then I'll go back to watching more videos to get the technique down better. And I think that a lot of the people that do the videos, they make it look really easy, but I honestly don't think it's going to be as easy as it looks. It looks like I probably shouldn't have put the blue on top of the magenta, but we'll see. Trying to get the lid off. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put the yellow on. And I see people mixing theirs up and doing all different kinds of things. And like I said, I don't really know what has to be done. So I'm going to put this over here. And I do know that I need to have white on here to make the paint flow. So I'm doing that. And maybe this is the right way, maybe it's not. But we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to pour my mixture. This could be a complete failure. And I will probably get a little upset at myself if it is, but if it is, I can always wash this off and try it again. I just figured that you watch so many different people, you could just drive yourself nuts. And I'm already there, so I don't need any extra help. I'm just gonna do this and see what happens. Okay, wish me luck. This doesn't look so good so far. Hopefully you can see this. I probably should have poured it all. Did a flip cup, but I didn't, so I don't know. Let me see. And I don't want to make mud, so I think what I'll do is put some more on the sides and hope that it starts running. I see people use their fingers a lot, so I'm just not sure if maybe I don't have enough paint on this. Like I said before, you know, people make it look so easy. And, you know, I thought, oh, I can just do this. And I'm not artistic. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I have a feeling I'm going to have to go and watch a lot more videos. Oop, you probably can't see that. I'm thinking I may not have used enough paint. And I've seen people do this before too, where they go and mix more. So I'm going to try that. I'm gonna go with some more white. Yellow. Do some cell making. I think I should have done a flip. And that might have worked a little better. I'm wondering if I probably can't do that now, put it there. So I guess I'm just gonna keep pouring it elsewhere, see what happens. I just hope I don't make mud. And of course you should have a wet rag nearby so you can wash your hands off. Of course my rag is dry. My lovely husband is going to wet it for me. I can't seem to get this. I don't seem to be good with the flow part of this, where it all should be going one way. But it's moving a little more. Seems to look a little interesting. I know you're supposed to go back to the middle. My problem is that I don't seem to tilt it the way it needs to be tilted just to get it to go one way. So I'm gonna have to work on that. But it might be that my paint is a little too thick, but it's moving along. Of course, I'm sure I'm out of the shot again with this. It's coming along a bit. Looks pretty. I mean, I like the colors of it. I'm hoping that I'll get some cells. I don't see any now, but I do like the colors that I'm getting.
It's done.
There, no, or you think the white looks good there?
I know, but you're recording now, so.
Oh.
I'll stop it.
Yeah, you can see
Okay.
this.
You don't need to hold the trigger anymore.
Alright, I'm trying to see if I got any cells and pop any bubbles. And you don't want to get too close to it because you don't want to burn your paint. I did not get too many cells. Got some, and I think I have a bubble or two that I need to pop because they're not popping with this. So I'm going to turn this off. Wrong way. And I have a push pin, and I'm going to pop those few bubbles that I see. There's a bubble right there. It's not popping. Let's see, I saw another bubble somewhere. Well, I can't find it. I think I'm gonna just torch a little bit more. There's a bubble. And see what happens. All right, that was my first time doing this. Like I said, I think it looks a lot, you know, people make it look a lot easier than it is. You have to be coordinated, which is not my strong suit. But I'm gonna keep trying, and we'll see what happens. So I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.